Hello and welcome to Knit in the Womb Designs, where we do all of your left-handed knitting tutorials. And today we are on episode 10 of our beginner knitting series. And today we're going to do purl two together. So this is often represented by P2TOG, and it is the opposite of a knit two together. So we're going to do the same thing, but with purls. So we're going to take two purl stitches and make them one. So we're going to insert into the next two stitches as if to purl. And we're going to wrap around, pull through, and off. Let me see if I can't do that a little bit more visible. So we're going to do that again. Insert into two stitches as if to purl, around, through, and off. We'll do it one more time just to make sure. Insert into two stitches as if to purl, wrap it around, go through both stitches, off the needle, and now you have purl two together. And this is what it looks like on the front. Okay? And that is how you do a purl two together. If this was helpful for you, please make sure you like, subscribe, and share it with somebody that you think it would help. And as always, happy knitting.